guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Adity, and today I'm going to show you an easy peasy lemon squeezy DIY on how to make a nail cream. This nail cream will make sure that your nails are very healthy and strong, and it's very easy to make. So if you want to know how I made this, then please keep on watching. The ingredients are very simple and I'm sure you will love this DIY, and the results are unbelievable too. I have been using this nail cream for about 1.5 months now and I'm really loving the results. So yes, if you want to know how I made this nail cream, then please keep on watching. And yeah, so now let's get started. The ingredients required are an empty jar. I am using this lip balm jar, and then we also require some almond oil. I am taking Hamdard Rogan Badam 100% pure almond oil, and then we also need a conditioner. I am using this Wow coconut hair conditioner. You can use any hair conditioner, probably some natural and which has just a little less chemicals. And then we are using some vitamin E capsules. These are by Evian, and then I'm also using some Vaseline. Then, as I already told you guys, I'm using a lip balm container, so I have just cleaned it thoroughly and I have dried them really well. And now I'm going to take 1.5 pump of the conditioner. As the name suggests, conditioner will condition your nails and soften them. Next, we require some almond oil. You can also replace it with some coconut oil, whatever you prefer. So almond oil is a natural way to restore your nail health. It has antioxidants, vitamin E, A, B1, B2 and B6. It helps avoid nail cracking, dryness and breakage, so you will get overall healthy nails. Next, I am using some vitamin E capsules. These are Evian 400 and they are easily available in any medicinal store. You can also use the bottled vitamin E oil, but I am using capsules here. So you can also skip this, but I would really suggest you adding some vitamin E, as it heals dry nails, strengthens brittle nails, promote nail growth and helps recover nails from the harm caused by nail polish and acetone. So as you can see me doing here, I am just piercing the capsule with the help of a scissor and I'm pouring out all the oil so that we get all the goodness. But if you are using bottled vitamin E oil, then I think the measurement would be about half a teaspoon. Next, we will require about 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. I am using a wooden spoon here because the steel spoon wouldn't fit this jar. So yeah, you can use any spoon for measurement. And coming back, Vaseline is very effective remedy for dry cuticles and help achieve overall healthy nails. Lastly, you just have to mix everything well so it becomes very creamy and smooth, just like you can see. So yes, this is how my nails look after 1.5 months of using this. I'm really loving my nails. They have become very strong, and if they seem yellow, then that is because I had applied mehendi just a few weeks ago, so that is why it has stained my nails, but that will fade away with time. So yeah, nonetheless, you just have to take a pea-sized amount of this cream and rub it really well on your fingernail so that all the goodness gets absorbed. And you just have to make sure that you are really massaging your nails for that really good blood circulation. You have to apply this nail cream preferably twice a day, but if you don't have time, then apply it at night before going to the bed and your nails are going to love you. So do give it a try. And if you try, then please don't forget to write in the comment section below how it fared with you, and I'm really damn sure that you will see a noticeable difference in just 1 week. So yes, that was it for my today's DIY video. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!